Well guys, CT is officially in another heat wave. This sucks. It's unbearable, but it's whatever. We're at the shop. So, jumping right into it, guys. So, I know I keep talking about the E36. I'm annoying. I get it. We're going to finish it. It'll get done. I've been slacking. It's whatever. So, like I said, if you guys missed yesterday's video, I literally just needed injectors and a MAF for this thing for like 3 weeks. Refused to buy them brand new because they're so expensive, and I finally found a used set, which means the E36 should be running by the weekend as long as everything goes to plan. Hopefully. So today's gonna be pretty cool because if you guys remember, yesterday we messed with the budget hatch. We finally got it registered, so we took it on the road, did a few pulls, and it felt sluggish. So I decided to check the base timing, and the base timing was completely off. Once I corrected it, I corrected the map, and it was hitting so hard. We both were in shock. So now, once it hits like 5 pounds of boost, it starts to break up. So to correct that, I checked the spark plug gap completely off, corrected this morning. So when Jip comes down from work, we're gonna test drive it, and hopefully we can hit a full 8 pounds. And I'm dying to see how hard that pulls. It's gonna be insane. So, and on top of that, earlier this morning, I took the wheels off the FD, and you know what? I really like it on these wheels. I think the silver makes the green pop a lot more, but I took the CR cars off. Now we got these with the car. Awesome deal. I'm actually going to be selling these either tonight or tomorrow. I already found a buyer, which is sick. And with that money, we are going to buy the new engine for the FD. Now I said I wasn't going to jump into it right away, but I figured if we have all the big stuff first, it'll make the swap go a lot smoother. And so if we get the 1J, we have a lot of little stuff to do on the side until we can get everything ready, and then we can start doing all the big stuff on the car. So I'm excited. A lot of plans coming up. Trying to get back in the order of things. As you guys know, I've been super spotty everywhere. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I've just been going crazy. Realistically, I got out of my rhythm and I got screwed up. I have like 3 projects going on and I just need to finish them. Just have some patience with me until we get back in the flow of things, of finishing projects up, and we'll get there. I promise. Drew just showed up with something.
Stop honking.
Sure, what's the new pickup?
Before anyone says anything, I have the title.
Oh yeah? Yeah. I know, that thing looks stolen as hell.
It looks very stolen, but we had title and keys.
So is this the next come up?
Hell yeah. Does 50. Needs an exhaust.
Does 50
We have
downhill?
the exhaust. Nah, dude. Or it's taped on, but... Little bougie, but...
I seen you buy worse.
Hey, when the 240 and the hard body leave me stranded, now I got a whip. That's it. Up in the seat, take one of the Supreme stickers. Fix it.
How far did you have to drive for this thing?
It was like 10 minutes out of the way,
oh,
so it's pretty awesome.
Did he give you the lock for the code for the lock?
He didn't.
Jip, I've been loving you coming down here almost every day.
Yeah, because I got a reason to now.
So, I mentioned it before, guys. It was breaking up under boost, but it was hitting so hard yesterday.
It would pull hard. I talked to Rit, shout out to Rit. Ritty cracked the Don. I was like, yo, why is my shit not barking? And he was like, yo, you're a clown. And I was like, yeah, I am. And Jimmy confirmed it. That's what you're gonna have me ride.
All right, we got the exhaust back on somehow. Let's see if it still sounds like bubbles.
Ignition was left on.
Oh boy. Is there a kickstart? Ooh! It leaks so bad.
It does leak.
He's a cool guy.
He is the coolest. So fucking stupid. So stupid. Just something to waste his money on and then get mad when he has to sell it for $10 more. I profited though. It's more effort than it is worth.
Your dad's a worm. All right, let's see if she hits, boy!
I think there's anything leaking.
No leaks. Look at this. Beautiful. Built beautifully. No leaks. RJ, I want you to go with Jip.
You want me to go with Jip? Yeah. So, I can't. I'm like bound.
You can't move now.
I feel bad moving. Sorry, Tuck.
Alright, we'll go on the 3rd beat from a dig. Ready? Watch out, RJ. You don't want no smoke.
You good?
I'm trying. You didn't teach me how to use this.
Push it in hard.
Hard.
No, you're turning it. And
Come on.
There's no foreplay.
You're holding up the grid.
It's not, it wasn't ready.
All right, have fun.
Okay. I was gonna open Jimmy's laptop, but it's probably gonna open right up to some hentai.
Motherfucker.
Is it still breaking up in the
Yeah.
same spot? Really?
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, what are you at? Like 4 when it's breaking up?
It's like 40, 43-ish.
Can I try one more?
My leg! Wanna go for a ride?
I'm stuck.
Yeah, let me try something out.
Stop.
Try to help you because you can't figure it out.
I can open it.
I hate myself for not bringing the camera, but it doesn't break up anymore. That was sick.
It hits.
It hits so hard. So guys, last thing I checked was launch control. Now the launch control was set to 4,500 RPMs and it kept breaking up at 4,500 RPMs. So I disabled launch control and it hit. So it peaked at 8 PSI and held it, and holy shit was that fast. I mean, like, for what it is, it was fast. My ass dyno would say 300 horsepower. Maybe
Close,
285.
dude, pretty close, yeah. Feels fast. Pretty accurate.
I don't know, because I got used to my car and I know what my car makes. So I would say 280. My ass dyno says 280. So I'm so pumped on this car. Holy shit! It ran cold the whole time. It's not leaking anything. Engine's quiet. Car's quiet. I'm so proud of this car for how cheap and like how we threw this together. Word.
Look at him. Just watch him.
This one's for the 2.
Come on!
What do you think?
I didn't have no words. On the other hand,
You ready?
She hitting? Want to
yeah,
up
she
boost?
hits. No.
Okay.
Wait, that was a bad one. We gotta redo that. All right, so Jimmy's screwing with Drew's car finally. I think I motivated him, but the budget hatch dips. So Brian is gonna film us going to get beds, and he's gonna film it hitting.
What am I doing? Filming it hitting?
Yeah, because it barks now.
She barks. She barks. Show me how she barks. Give me like a representation. I want to know like what it's like before it actually happens. So can you just?
Woo!
Oh, okay. Okay.
Hey, buggies. Imagine my only luck, that'd be a cop.
Well, it didn't look like a cop.
Wasn't me. Clutch slip. Look at this jamoke.
Look at this guy.
Hey, guy.
What's up?
Big FD mods today. Much better. Boom. If you guys haven't realized it yet, I officially sold the CR Kais that came on the FD, which is sick. So now we got some money back to put back in the FD, which is awesome. Now that I got the money, I really want to get the 1J right away, like I was saying before. If we can get a clean 1J and get it on the stand and start slowly refreshing as time goes on, and then once we have the time and money to get the rest of the parts for the FD swap, we can start mocking stuff up and go from there. But you know what, guys, that's all I have today. We officially got the budget hatch finally hitting. I would say it is complete now. By complete, I mean it is fully drift ready. It sounds so healthy. It's nice and quiet. Chassis feels dialed. Hits 8 PSI with no issues. AFRs are clean, doesn't overheat. Everything about it is awesome. We did a quick alignment on today, so it feels even better. The car is sick. It's a great car. I'm actually really proud of that car. I'm really happy about it. So now I have to sign Jip up for the next upcoming drift event. We have to convince him to do that because he's kind of being a pansy about it. So there it is, guys. yeah, so I hope you guys liked today's video. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.